Hello, welcome to the channel. I'm Marco, I'm your host, and thanks for watching. So today we're going to be doing a little enhancement to the plastics that you have in the car using Meguiars Plastic Restore. So, I do have some plastic in the vehicle, starting with the running boards, some in the back, a little bit at the top. You could do window cowl, some of the bottom spoilers. A great product. It goes on very easy, very fast. All you're gonna need is a pair of gloves and a little rag, and that's it, and a little bit of your time. So let's get to it. Alright, so very simple. Put on the gloves. You don't need an introduction for that. See some great reviews on the product, so that's why I went ahead and purchased this one. I mean, probably the next best thing will be to do ceramic coating for the plastic, or I'm pretty sure will last a little longer, but I'm pretty sure it's way more expensive. All right, so let's get to it. So like I say, I tried to do it with a napkin yesterday. It didn't work out that good, so I'll try to do something that's a little porous, and I think it'll work out a little bit better. So shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Pour some on your rag. Whoa, look at that. This thing just farted everywhere. So you want to do a section at a time, get the feel for it. Okay. Get rid of this little excess on the paint. I'll do a little piece so you can see the difference. Yes, I try to use a brush, which you can. Just splatter some in here and use a brush. Get it in there, let it soak in, and then remove the excess. Yeah, I'm sure there's different ways of doing this. All right, you don't want to do a lot of excess. Just want to pour what you need, section at a time. So rub it in real good in all the affected areas. And like I say, you can, depending on how bad it is, do multiple passes. Give it a whack, see how you like it, the results. And let's do a little close up here. See the difference? You don't see any of the scratches? So remember all these scratches, and once I'm done with it, it's gonna look pretty much new. I mean, obviously the scratches are still there, but you just can't see them. So the product seems to be doing what it's supposed to be doing. All right, so we'll go ahead and finish the rest. Speed this up just a little bit. I don't want you to get bored, but you get the hint. Alright, this one, so you can see I missed a couple of little spots right there. You can see it's a little brighter, more white. So when you do this, since it stays a little oily, it'll be great for stuff not to stick to it. A lot of times I picked up gum and You gotta use all kinds of materials to get it off. So this is the finished product here. Just like I mentioned before, the front plastic maybe could be a different manufacturer or something. See, it's a little bit more, might have a little bit more wax or something on it from previous, but scratches are gone. You can see that one just a little bit still there, but you know, you can't notice it. Much nicer it is. So I love it. I'm really happy with the product. So I'm gonna do these guys here, and then I have one in the front. So it's not a whole lot of work. You could probably do it 15-20 minutes, you know. All right, so I don't want to put too much, but I think I did this one yesterday. A little bit of paint there that I should have taken off. I'm very happy with this product. All right. Alright, so you could also do your windshield cowl. You know, I went a little bit outside the glass there. I'll clean it later, but you can see the difference. You know, these things get ugly and dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that one also. And I think that's enough. I don't think I have any more plastics. Well, actually, I do have right there. So I'll try that too. See how it works out. Alright. Alright guys, so we're all done. You can take between, you know, 10 to 15 minutes or less, depending on how much plastic you have in your car. So in this case, I'm pretty much done already. You know, it's easy to follow the instructions. You know, you could, you know, wipe clean everything. You could do one small amount per section. You know, it all depends which way you want to do it. If you want to do it with a little brush, I tried it yesterday, but it really didn't work out the way I thought it would work out. So actually, I like better, you know, putting, like the running boards have a, you know, thick section. I just poured some, I spread it out. That worked out pretty well. Or you could just do it one section at a time. It all depends how you want to do it, but you, in some cases, you do have to apply, you know, 2 to 3 times as per the instructions. So any, you know, excess, just wipe it off. Don't leave it laying around. And that's pretty much it, guys. So this is my finished product. I had some under here, which looks perfect for me. All right, so I did my running boards. This one I did yesterday. You know, it's holding up. You can tell some of the areas might go away, you know, when you step on it a couple times. And I did all these here, bottom, front, bottom, and you know, this little guy here. I got some excess on there. I'll clean it off now. Make sure you clean all the excess off, all these little plastics. This running board came out pretty nice. Very happy. You see, I just did it now compared to the other one. So, you know, I'm gonna use it for a week or so, see how it turns out to be. Obviously, you know, as you step on it, some might come off, but for right now, it just looks amazing. I ended up also doing the windshield cowl. I guess I got some on the glass, so I'm gonna clean it off now with the, you know, I didn't get it perfect on the other side. I did this little piece back here, up here, that came out perfect. It was just a little short piece from here to here. So if you have anything on the top, it's gonna be probably, you know, more worn out with the sun and all this down here. So I'm very happy with the product. Alright guys, so it's been a few weeks after I installed this. It's a little dirty from me getting in the car. Car's not perfectly clean. I washed it the other day and the product held very well, you know, versus the way it was before. So it looks pretty decent. I'm very impressed with it. Alright, so like I said, I did well, the car's dirty right now, so bad example there. But this is the back. You know, it's got a little bit of sand on it from driving a car, but it looks much better than it did before. Very happy. So let's go on check the other side. See what this one looks like. Yeah, much better. You can barely see the scratches. It's been about 2.5 weeks, and you know, obviously the scratches are still there, but it looks much better. Very happy. The only one that didn't come out as good as I wanted to was the window cowl. This little corner right here. You know, it still has a little bit of wax from, I think, where I took it to the shop the other day. So, alright, that's pretty decent. And that other stuff is just dirty. Yeah, the front looks pretty good. Looks way better. Before it was, you know, kind of whitish. So far so good. So, again, very happy with the plastic restorer. I know a little thing that I do with I usually put it, you could also add it to the little red seatbelt thing. I haven't done this one yet. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. So you could pick these up anywhere, Amazon. You could pick them up at, you know, Walmart, auto stores, Advance, you know, O'Reilly's, all that stuff. Everybody carries this, so very inexpensive. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I got a lot of stuff coming that I haven't had a chance to, you know, do the videos on or process the videos, but you know, definitely I got a lot of stuff coming. All right, thank you.